So this is
Mukhang
really
mainit
nice if
na
you
naman
want
yung
to
dugo niya.
different patterns. And of course, I mean, I have
Palagi
so many
naman.
things, I don't even
Okay,
know.
class, bring
Go
out
through
one
all
sheet
them,
of
'cause, like,
yellow
there's this-
paper.
I
Mag-e-essay
basically
kayo.
have the Cocoa
Ay,
Wine
yellow
library in my
pad.
house. This was a recent find actually, this cozy
Ay,
corner book. I
Scarlett,
actually,
pengen
you guys,
naman
if you guys didn't know,
ako
they
yan.
have these books at Target.
Ayoko.
That's where I found this one.
Last week ka
Very
pa,
cute. I
ha?
like this book a
Kung
lot.
na
If you like
nakaubusan
Little
yan ng
Corner,
pad ko.
this is a good book.
Ha?
This is
Bumili
not
ka
a book
kaya?
by Cocoa Wine that I ever pick up. I may
Class,
have heard a few
pass
pages
your
in here,
research
but I don't
paper.
know, it's
Last
just-
week pa
they're
yan.
very
Ito
basic
na po yung
pages.
akin.
It's not
Oh,
something that I really
Scarlett,
gravitate towards
kasi mga
coloring,
grupo mo,
for moments.
tinanggal ko na
Okay,
po.
I
Ha?
have done
Ba't mo kami tinanggal?
so much
Yung mga
this.
pinapasa
One
mo,
of my favorite
walang
for sure.
kwenta.
Cozy Friends,
Binigyan
my
na kita ng
favorite
chance,
coloring
di ba?
book. This is a
At
great
ikaw
book.
naman,
But if you're
Samantha,
getting into coloring,
hindi ka
I
naman
would
nag-send
highly
ng GC,
recommend
di ba?
it. Super
Oh,
cute. There's a
kayong
lot of great
dalawa,
pages in here.
gumawa kayo ng
And
sarili
these
ng
are
research,
some
ha?
really good
Bes,
ones. I like
paano na
Wall of
tayo
Friends,
niyan?
I don't see a lot of people doing it, but this
Pinapainit
is
niya
a
talaga
really cute
dugo
book.
ko, ah.
And also same with the
Bakit
little
kaya
cat. I don't
palagi
see a lot of
mainit yung
people
dugo ni
coloring this book
Scarlett?
anymore.
Baka
But
mabigat
these
lang
books
yung
are both very
pinagdadaanan
cute.
niya.
So I really do like the Cocoa Wine books. They are super cute. But like I said, I just want to branch out a little
sorry.
bit. So I also have the Sketchy
Ano ba
Life
yan?
book.
Kasi tumitingin sa
I don't have a
dinadaanan
House
eh.
author, so I'm not gonna try. But this book is super cute too. I have colored.
Bulag ka ba, ha? Kita mong dumadaan ako dito tapos babanggain mo ako?
Wow, maldita ka! Kala mo di kita papatulan?
Oh, bakit?
Porket cute ka?
Porket type
I
kita?
never see anyone talking about it. Finally, I have a couple
Ayun,
of Southern
love life
Buddhist
lang pala
coloring books.
kailangan niya.
Of course, I have their color drop
Nakakakilig
patterns.
sila,
If you're looking for a
bes.
patterns book,
Type
Cocoa
niya daw
Wine was
ako.
good, but this one I think is
Nakakainis,
better.
ba't
I
ko
like
ba
a lot of the
nasabi
patterns in this
yun?
book a lot. There's a lot of like sky patterns, water patterns,
Bes,
different things.
kaya pa?
all in the
Parang
background.
pasok ko
So
na
I
itsura
really
mo.
like this book.
Sobrang
And
dami
I have
pala
these
nito,
two here. I have
Bes.
Little Fuzzy, and then I have Fantasyland.
Grabe,
Again, I
ang
don't
fresh mo
reach
pa
for them a
din.
ton. I
Paano
have
yan?
books that I
Huwag ka
like
maingay,
more.
Bes.
But
Eto ang
these books
sikreto
are
ko.
really cute.
G to
Yeah,
G,
so
perfect
those are all
cover
my
cushions.
favorites.
Perfect talaga to kasi lightweight na and high coverage
It's a lot.
pa.
I
Oh,
also don't
tignan
feel
nyo
like it's
naman.
boxes.
May
Like,
3
there's a
shades
lot of
to
shades.
and ang shade ko
So
ay
let
ang
me know what your favorite
custard.
colors
Try
are
nating
in the
basain yung
comments.
face
Because
ko.
like I
Oh,
said, I
ayan.
wanna get some different
Ayan.
collection.
O, diba? Ang hirap tanggalin. Love na love ko talaga to kasi waterproof, long-lasting, and transfer-proof. Plus, skincare infused to, kaya kulas proof talaga. For only 345 pesos lang to. Wow, affordable naman yan, Bes. Bibili ako niyan. O, ito best time na to para fresh tayo dito sa exam. Salamat, Bes. The best ka talaga.
It's a mood, it's a vibe, it's a state of mind. Okay, you got the floor, it's looking good. Hey, what kind of like that?
Ay, mga bata.
What kind of
Lesson natin ngayon ay addition. Sino dito ang makakasagot ng 1 plus 1? Ang galing naman ang lesson dito. Ma'am, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Correct. Mga bata, 5 claps para kay Scarlett. Hindi niyo ba alam yun? Mga bata, science na tayo ha. Ilan ang planeta sa solar system natin? Ba't ka na nagtataas ng kamay? Ma'am, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Correct. Siguro nag-a-advance reading si Scarlett. Parang walang alam yung mga kaklase ko. Okay, tatatakan ko ng star sa kamay ang makakasagot neto. What are the primary colors? Ha? Ba't ang dadali na subject dito? Last sem, nag-research lang ako eh. Ma'am, the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Wow! Mukhang may magiging top 1 na tayo ah.
Hala, mukhang magiging top 1 pa ako dito.
Ah, namali siya ng classroom.
Scarlett
Scarlett Iha, namali ka daw ng classroom, oo. Lumipat ka na lang doon sa grade 12. Ano?
Once I've got that all filled in, I'm going to color this bench. And again, I'm using the exact same brown that I did in the previous section. And then again for the dog, using that same dark brown. And I'm also going to take this dark brown
Ano
and
yan?
put a tree trunk in
Madali
the
lang
back
yan.
because that's what I
Madali.
do more. Moving on to
Sir,
the sky,
bakit
I
ka
really
lang
wanted
pala
to keep it
sa
simple,
kinder?
so
Hindi
I
ba
just
doon
picked
magiging
out this
top one
really
ako?
pretty bright
Bye.
pink color, and I'm just painting the entire sky with that.
nalipat
I'm
na
also
naman
bringing
ako.
back out this pink color just to
Nasaan na
color in
naman
his
yun?
scarf, boots, and
Ha?
kind
Kailan
of
pa
add a
nag-aircon
little
sa
bit of
classroom
detail. I
namin?
used two shuttle art acrylic
Lamig.
markers, and I
Class,
added
bring
some
out your
background
iPad
to
and
make it look
Apple
like more
Pencil.
flowers.
Mag-lecture
I just
tayo,
felt like that would
okay?
be a very nice,
Kopyahin niyo yung
simple
nasa
detail to add.
projector.
And
Ano
as you guys
daw?
know, for my very last finishing step, I'm taking a white acrylic marker. This one's from
Ay,
Gravity.
ba't nagamit
and I'm going
ngayon?
through and adding all of my highlights. And with that,
Grabe,
this
ang
spring
yayaman
section
naman ng
is
mga tao
complete. I
dito.
feel like this section
Ah,
did turn
ma'am,
out very pretty.
pwede
It's
mo ba
definitely
ako
not my
magsulat sa
favorite that
ano?
I've done so far, but it is still pretty
Wala
cute.
kang
And make
iPad?
sure you come back for part 4.
Class,
This is
di
gonna
ba
be my
nasa school
summer
requirement
section,
natin
so
na
I'll
dapat
see
may
you then.
iPad kayo, okay? So, babalik ka na sa nanay mo. Di na uso yung notebook dito.
Wala naman kami pambili nun eh.
Oh, class, i-share nyo naman kung saan kayo pumupunta tuwing weekends. Ma'am, nasa Japan po kami tuwing weekends kasi malamig doon tapos may snow pa. Ma'am, sa Paris po kami. Nandun po kasi yung Eiffel Tower tapos sila mami po kasi mahilig mag-shopping doon eh.
Lu, ang bongga naman ng mga to.
Oh, ikaw Scarlett, sa kwarto ko lang po ma'am. Kailangan po ba umalis? Hindi naman. Siguro mas gusto ni Scarlett yung nagpapahinga siya sa magandang kwarto niya. Class, magkukulang ako ng class funds ha. 1,000 each student lang. Ha? 1,000 yung class funds dito? Ma'am, card po yung mode of payment ko. Sure, patap na lang. Ayan, ma'am, ako din po card. Ayan, okay na. Wala na akong pera. Ma'am, pwede ba ako bumalik sa dati kong school? Ang yayaman kasi ng mga tao dito eh. Ay, ganun ba? O sige, i-drop na lang kita, ha? O, ito po, ma'am. Card na lang. National ID. Guys, double type tayo, ha? Mamaya na pasahan na ito. Baka bumagsak tayo.
I am so excited about these
wait
color
lang.
pens from
Ang hirap kasi
Showroom.
mag-isip
They come in
kapag
30
ito.
beautiful colors, and just look at
Anak,
these. And the coverage on these is
bakit di
super
mo
opaque.
sinasabi
I mean,
agad?
it's crazy.
Talagang
And I
bata
love the way
ka.
they just easily
Alam mo
glide
ba
on this
yung all
paper.
new
These are all the 30
Jollibee
colors that
app?
comes in,
New
and don't worry,
Jollibee
it looks
app?
good
Yes,
on black paper
anak.
too. But the best part
Nag-explore
about
kasi
these is
ako,
the
and they
super
have the best
fine
prices
tip. I mean, look at this
online.
needle
At
point
dahil
tip.
bago
It's
lang
perfect
yung
for
app, may mga
outlining,
freebies
detailing,
like
and I
Fish
could see
Mango
if
Pie
you
and
were like
Chicken
into
Joy
journaling,
Super
these would be
Meat.
perfect
Pag
for
new
that.
user
But these
ka,
also work with
plus
markers
may
too,
free
so if you wanted to
delivery
use them
pa.
to add
Ang
some details to your
convenient,
coloring
nice.
pages,
Sulit pa lang
it's just so
all new
crazy how
Jollibee
bright this
app.
look on
Yes,
black
anak.
paper.
Mas
I'm so
madali na
excited to
mag-order
continue
dito sa
these on
new
my next
app.
project.
In just a few tap, nakapag-order na agad ako. Wow, Nay! Bongga!
Although we feel kinda down, don't you worry, it can happen sometimes. You can shine all the time, they just gotta.
Ayan, nabasa ko na yung research namin. O, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, ikain mo lang yan eh. Kaya ikaw, i-download mo na ang all new Jollibee app. Order na!
They always feel the way you feel.
Kakarating lang namin dito sa Vietnam at ano pa bang gagawin natin? Eh, titigim tayo ng convenience store food. Alam mo, umuulan, tara na! Guys, hindi humihinto yung mga sasakyan dito kaya tatawid ka talaga. Update guys, buhay pa ako at hulaan nyo kung nasan ako. Diba? Walang ganyan sa Pilipinas.
First time namin dito sa Vietnam. Kaya naman excited ako kung ano ba meron dito sa convenience store nila. Kita nyo naman, ang dami ding choices dito.
Guys, may paanong manok
If
dito.
you're new to blending,
Check out
I'm gonna
natin
show
to.
you a
Guys, parang ang sarap
method
na tong
that always
Nutella
works.
banana,
First,
oh.
we
Guys,
have to
tignan
pick
yung
some
hotdog
colors.
dito,
The
oh.
easiest way is to
Kinakain
look
daw
at your
to ng
swatch
ilaw, kaya
sheet and
i-check
find
out
colors
natin
that
to.
are very
Tingnan nyo yung mga
similar
drinks
in
nila
nature.
dito, parang
For
lalagyan na
instance,
lang
in
ng
the upper
ice.
right here,
Parang
we have
masarap
pale
to, guys,
sky
oh,
blue,
itong
arctic
kulay
blue, and
ube.
sky blue. And all of these look very similar, they just get slightly darker, which is exactly
guys,
what you
may
want. Another
Vietnamese,
tip
oh.
is to move your marker in up and
Sarap!
down motions
Check out
instead
ko
of
din
side to side. I'm
yan.
picking up the lightest shade of blue first, and I'm being sure to really saturate the paper with this
Grabe,
color.
bakit
You
ang
want the
mahal?
ink to be wet in order to get a seamless
345,000?
blend. Then with
Tikman
the
na
second shade of
natin.
blue,
Una
I'm
natin
being
tong
sure to
Nutella
overlap
banana.
this with the first shade. And don't worry how it looks now, we're gonna go over it again.
Masarap
Lastly, I'm doing the
siya.
darkest
Bilhin nyo
shade,
to, guys.
and with
10
each step
out of
you want to
10.
make sure
Next
that you're
natin tong
overlapping
Thai
the
chili
colors.
paste and
Overlapping is the
chicken
key to
floss.
make sure it
Let's
looks
go.
seamless. Now I'm just going back
Medyo
in
malansa
with
siya,
each
guys.
color to further make sure everything is
Dating nasa
blended.
loob
That
niya.
second layer is what's really gonna
Sarap.
help pull it together. Another example of some
10
colors
out
are
of
gonna
10
be these
din to,
three
guys.
greens right
So, ito
here.
daw.
They're all about the same
Puro
tone, they just
laman.
get slightly darker. I love that Ohuhu swatch sheets make it so easy
Sobrang
how they got
sarap
the
lang
colors
yun.
laid out. And just like
Ano
the
naman
first
ito,
example, I'm starting with the lightest shade first, and as I move my way up to the darkest shade, I'm being sure to overlap each color with the previous one. And again, once you've got that
sarap
first layer
nito.
down, be sure to work backwards and go over each color again to further blend. And that's how it turns out. Now, sometimes you might have two
1
colors that you
million
want to
out
blend
of
together that aren't
10.
the
Next
same
natin
tone,
tong
but they're
hotdog
too
nila
far
na
off.
hindi
For
na
example, here we have
niluluto.
lavender
So,
wisp,
ganito siya,
and then over
guys.
here we have the
Pinili
shade
ko lang
cornflower.
siya.
Because they aren't the same tone, we need a shade that's kind of in the middle of the two. And I really like this shade,
9
Deep
out of 10
Periwinkle,
to
because
sa
it's
akin.
kind
Next
of a
natin tong
bluey
mix
purple
na
color,
spicy
and I feel
Korean
like it's going to be a
chicken.
good
Ayan,
middle
ganda
tone
yung
to get
itsura
these two
niya.
to blend nice. I've actually used the same color combo a few times.
Sarap
I'm starting
siya.
with lavender wisp first, laying this color down, being sure to really
Sarap
saturate
kaya.
the paper.
8.5
Then I'm picking
out
up
of
my middle
10.
shade, Deep
Masarap siya.
Periwinkle,
Next
and I'm
natin
making
tong
sure to overlap this with
Changarot
lavender wisp.
Syong
And
na
lastly, taking
chicken
cornflower,
feet
and
or
I
paa
am
ng
overlapping
manok.
this with the previous color. And then once you've got that first layer down, be
Chicken
sure to work your way
feet talaga siya, as you
backwards
can
to further
see.
blend everything out. I hope all
Boneless
these tips
siya,
and
so
tricks
wala
can make
nata
blending
siyang
just a little bit easier
boneless
for
siya.
you. Let me know
Boneless.
how your next blend turns out. It's so hard to believe that this is part 30 of the Economy Spoken Word.
Hindi
And I
pala
can't
siya
even describe
boneless,
to you
may
my level
buto
of
siya.
excitement to color this page today. I have really been looking forward to coloring this one. Since this is the cover page of the book, I
Ayoko siya.
2
2 over 10 lang siya talaga, guys. Okay, next naman itong mga barbecue nila. Ayan, iba't ibang flavor siya.
So let's just go ahead and jump into it. I'm starting with the sky first.
6 over 10 lang to sa akin. Okay guys, next ito, parang chicken
And I'm picking
ata.
those colors up in order
Lasang,
from
may
left
lasa
to
siyang
right. And I always
efficacy
get so
oil.
nervous when I am blending such a big space like
3
this.
over 10 lang to
because
sa
I
akin.
get
Ito
so
guys,
many
medyo
purple markers
spicy.
or stuff,
nga,
which
lasang
always causes me to go out of the line a little bit, which I know that you guys love
Okay
seeing
lang
me do
naman.
that.
4
I'm
out
picking
of
up sugarcane,
10.
which I
Okay,
think is
next,
my last
itong
video that
empanada
I
nila.
did.
Based sa
Much more
texture
since
na
I've
para
done
siyang
this twice in a
hopya.
row. Now using yellow green, I'm gonna color in all the flower
Tama nga ako
stems on
guys,
the
lasa
page.
siyang
And I'm also
hopya.
using this
5
color
out of
for
10 to
the
sa
leaves on
akin.
the
So last but not the
And
least,
finally,
itong
I'm using
leche
it to
flan
add some
nila.
texture to the
Banflan
bushes.
yung pangalan.
I wanted
So
that
wala
texture
sa
to be a
bigyan na
little bit
kutsara.
better, so I'm using edamame just to thicken it up a little
Para
bit.
siyang
I wanted to
leche
bring out
flan
the
na
purple tones
hindi
in the sky a
sobrang
little
tamis.
bit,
So
so
7
I'm
out
bringing
of
back out
10.
the
So yun lang
purple,
naman
and I'm
guys,
using
kung
this
gusto
to
ng
color
part
all of the
2,
flowers
comment
that
lang
are
kayo
on
dyan.
Now time for the
Bye!
water, which is the part
Hindi
I'm
ba't
most
nanay mo
excited
yan
about.
nakaiga
I
dun sa
always love
kabaong?
coloring pages with water. They're my favorite. I'm coloring in the base of the water with pale sky blue. And then once I let that completely dry, I'm going in with the color sky blue to the dark blue, and I'm gonna pour these like random face blobs. I'm just gonna do this throughout the whole water, and I'm trying my best to make these blobs kind of fit together in a line. And then once that layer is completely dry, I'm picking up the white acrylic marker, and I'm gonna draw some
First time ko
blobs.
pumunta sa
This
mga
time,
gantong
I've
event,
got
guys.
this
Kaya tara,
and
samahan
also
niyo
making
ako.
sure that every blob I
Good
draw
morning
is
guys, may
connected
pupuntahan
to
na naman
another
tayong
blob.
event, no? Medyo kinakabahan ako guys kasi first time ko mag-attend sa event na ako lang mag-isa. Ano pa ba ang una natin gagawin? Edi lumamon agad. Gutom na gutom ako dyan guys kasi di pa ako nag-breakfast. At eto na, pinalakad na ako sa red carpet. Kala mo talaga. Grabe, ang daming tao dito. Kasama ko nga pala si Ate Lenny. Ang sasarap din ng mga pagkain dito. At ang dami ding artista. Kaya pala ako nandito kasi 37 Star Awards for Television. Syempre, by PMPC. Alam nyo ba guys? Ang daming mga artista dito. At sure akong kilala nyo sila. Nag-perform din ng Kairen, sobrang galing nila. Tapos ayan, nagbibigay na sila ng mga awards. At ang nanalong Bingo Plus Male and Female TV Star of the Year is si Miss Rian Ramos at si Mr. Sam Versosa. Kaya naman, congrats po sa lahat ng nanalo ng PMPC Star Awards. Hello guys, hindi ko expect na mananalo din ako. Joke lang po. Sobrang dami ko natutunan for today's event. Kaya naman, pupunta na ako ng Vietnam. Bye guys! Kuya, try mo po yung sikat na mango na ice cream. Mango na ice cream?
This is the page we're going to be making.
Mango's my favorite flavor,
It is
so
another
let's
page I
try.
would have skipped over, but that's the point of this challenge,
Wow,
right?
parang
So
ang
I'm
sarap
starting
niya.
off by coloring
Tara,
where the
bili
animals are
tayo.
going.
So, papunta na ako sa convenience store para hanapin yung famous na mango na yan.
But
Sabi nila meron daw dito sa Vietnam. Kaya pumunta ako dito sa Circle K.
This is not the first time and won't be the last, but I'm going to do that now before I
Guys, excited na ako matry ito.
I'm
Bilhin
using
na
the color
natin.
cream.
Grabe, napakamahal naman ng mga yan. Ayan guys, binili ko yung mango, yung lemon, tsaka yung peach.
color, I'm going to
Ito na
color
sila.
pink.
Tikman na natin. Unahin na natin itong si Mango kasi ito yung pinakasikat.
Now I'm just coloring in the dog with
Sirain
white,
ko
and
na.
again later I'm going to give them some spots.
Wow!
Now I'm using Y1 to
Mukha talaga
color
siyang
the
mangga in
tip.
real life,
Is that what
guys.
this is?
Tapos dito siya
I
hawakan.
decided to leave
Okay,
the bunny
unang
white,
kagat.
but I did want to add some shadows at least. So I left this entire clip in here just so you guys can see how I did this.
Ang
Since
sarap
the light
na.
was coming from the window, I added the shadows on the opposite
Lasa
end
talaga
of
siyang
the
mangga,
bunny.
promise, na may
Yeah, I'm
konting
kinda just
gatas.
following
Medyo
the
maasim
shape
din
of
siya na
it.
onte. 10 out of
This is
10 to
what
sa akin, guys. Okay, next naman
Now I'm
itong
just going to
peach.
use that same technique and add the shadows to the rest of the animals.
Mukha siyang puwet ng
And again,
bata.
I left
Oh.
all
Okay,
these clips in
kagatin
here
na
just so you
natin.
guys could get a better idea on how I accomplish it.
Ang
I'm
nostalgic
by
ng
no
lasa
means an
niya.
expert with this. I'm just trying my best.
Nangingilo ako guys, sobrang lamig. Pero ang sarap niya, hindi siya sobrang asim, di rin siya sobrang tamis.
Moving
Like,
on, I'm
sobrang
using
sakto
YR5
lang talaga.
to
For
give
me,
the cats
9.5 out of 10 to. Okay,
I tend
last
to use
itong
the same color
lemon.
combo and design for cats like all the
Wow,
time.
mukha talaga siyang
And going back
lemon,
to
no?
fawn
Okay,
brown,
unang
which is
kagat.
one of my new favorite browns, I am going to give the dog some spots. I'm going to go ahead and do
Parang
some
wala siyang
highlights now
lasa.
with my
Tapos,
gravy
hindi rin
acrylic
siya
marker.
lasang lemon.
I
Parang
usually
ice
wait till the
cream
end
na
to do
wala
this,
lasang
so I
wala.
don't know why I decided to do this now. I'm gonna take copper to
Wala
color
ko
all the
nadalasahan.
dust.
Alam ba kami sakit
Looking
na
back
ako.
now,
2
I
out of
really wish I
10 lang
would've
to
used
sa
the
akin
lighter
kasi
brown
hindi niya ako
because I feel like it just
satisfied.
makes the
For me,
picture
masarap
darker.
naman sila, kaya itry
Let me
nyo
know
guys.
you-
At kung may gusto pa
I'm
kayo
also
ipatry
coloring
sa
the
akin,
window
itatry
frame at the
natin
same
yan.
time.
So comment lang kayo guys.
I decided I wanted to do
Bye!
something